Hey teachers, tired of drawing grid lines on whiteboards while trying to model classroom assignments? We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the all-new MagnaSheet squares by Abaco brands. MagnaSheet squares are dry erase magnetic sheets that attach directly to classroom whiteboards. Each pack contains 4 panels that quickly and easily assemble to produce a 22 by 28-inch sized replica of student notebook paper. Visible from anywhere in the classroom, MagnaSheet squares allow teachers to model classroom assignments perfectly, accurately, and effectively. What's more, MagnaSheet squares are made with an industrial-grade PET vinyl that completely erases with each and every use. I mean, like, every single time. Designed by teachers, these low-cost MagnaSheet squares are manufactured to provide teachers with many years of professional classroom instruction. MagnaSheet squares by Abaco brands, helping teachers transform classrooms into fun and interactive learning centers.